This is one of the Electrowell brand 200 kVA pneumatically operated rod butt welder. On this you can weld MS wire rods from 20 to 31 mm dia, high carbon wire rods from 13 to 20 mm dia, copper rods from 13 to 21 mm dia, brass and aluminum rods from 14 mm to 22 mm dia rods. On this you can also weld rings, gaskets and many other products. This machine has got two welding jaws which are provided with two grooves for welding different diameter of the rods. These are the copper clamps. These are the two pneumatic clamping cylinders. These are the clamping levers for right this side and for left this side. You can open like this with these two levers. This over here is the horizontal welding cylinder for welding the job. The gap between the two jaws can be increased or decreased with the help of this lever depending upon the diameter of the rod to be butt welded. That you can refer to the welding manual chart and accordingly keep the jaw distance with this lever. This over here is a microcontroller. On this you can adjust the welding timing as well as the welding current for different diameter of rods. This over here is a switch for either welding or for annealing. This over here is a welding switch. When you want to weld the rods, keep this switch towards the welding side and then press this button. You will see the welding taking place, and after the welding is over you can keep this knob towards the annealing side and the same button can be used for annealing the rods. This over here is the on-off switch for the pump that circulates the water in the holding jaws so that the welding jaws are cooled while welding. This over here is the current cutoff switch. This thimble should be about 4 to 5 mm from this limit switch. Before welding, just adjust this lever so that this thimble and the limit switch head has about 4 mm gap for proper butt welding of the rods. On the left side we have mounted FRL where you can connect the ear and adjust the pressure over here. This is a pressure gauge, this is air pressure, this is an air filter, this is an air lubricator. This one is for adjustment of the welding pressure. This one is here the solenoid valve. This machine is to be connected to two lines of 3-phase 400 volts plus minus 10%, one neutral and one proper earthing at the back of the machine. Then you connect air pressure, say about 5 kg per centimeter square. For butt welding, you adjust the air pressure say at about 60 psi and the welding pressure say about 30 psi. Now you can adjust the timer setting for butt welding 5/8 inch dia MS bars on this timer. This is the on off switch for the timer. This is the program run feather push button for adjusting the parameters. By entering this knob here, you can adjust the squeeze time. Then you come to the weld to position. Say weld time is given here about roughly 15 cycles. Then again enter. The heat percentage is given about 30%. Then we go to the cool. Adjust the cool say about 3 cycles. Then again go further. Adjust the hold time 12 cycles. Off time 5 cycles. Impulse 0. Again press this knob. Now this weld time and the weld percentage energy is memorized in the controller. Now for welding, you have to switch on this knob. You will see the red indicator glowing. Now you can clamp the rods in the welding jaws like this. Depress this lever. Again this side again you can clamp the rod and depress right side lever. This side also is clamped. See that the joint is in the center of the two welding jaws. Now you can keep this switch towards welding side. Press this push button. You will see the welding will take place. And the current will get cut off automatically. See, now the welding is over. You can declamp the job. Take this lever to its original position. Again take this job to the center of the two jaws. Clamp the job once again with these levers. Then you can do the annealing. For annealing, you have to put this switch knob towards annealing side. Then press the same button. You will see the job will get annealed. See, current gets cut off automatically. Now we will show you the butt welding of 25 mm dia MS rod butt welding. For this you adjust the pressure to 75 psi. The welding pressure keep about 35 psi. Then clamp the rods in the back groove. With this lever, this side also you can clamp the rod. With this lever, after adjusting the parameters on the microcontroller as per the instruction manual, you can take this knob towards welding side, press this push button for welding. You will see the welding taking place and the current cutoff will be automatic. See, now the current is cut off. You can declamp the welded rod like this. Take the lever back so that more gap is created between the two jaws for annealing. Take this switch towards the annealing side, clamp the rods now. We'll press the push button. You will see rod will get annealed. Now the rod is annealed. You can take out the rod. See, this is how it is welded. You can grind the burr and pass through dies. After using sometimes this machine, carbon accumulates on these welding jaws as well as under the welding jaws. Therefore, you must clean the grooves with emery paper. Also clean the underside of this welding jaw with emery paper, and then again refit them. Align the grooves properly for the better welding and better current. Thank you.